Good evening, everyone. Welcome to another exciting session today. My name is Ravi Budama. I'm the founder of Startup.io. So, Startup.io is a platform for knowledge and collaboration. We help people connecting the right resources to start and run your business successfully. So today's session is all about a series that is taken care by Mr. Nilesh Desai. He's a well-known, very strong entrepreneur. He's a writer, so he's done a lot in the MSME growth. So today he's going to take the session for the first session in this series, Chandan Ban. The first episode will be cleaning. Cleaning is profitable. That's what Mr. Desai is saying. So let's listen to Desai what he says, how cleaning can make it profitable for your business. Thank you, Mr. Desai, for joining today. So, Desai Garu is the director for SME Analytics. He will explain you what SME Analytics does. Sir, over to you, sir, please.
Thank you, Ravi. Thank you, everybody, to join. See, we are going to have about 14 or 15 webinars on churn or burn webinar series. Today is the first webinar we am going to talk about is cleaning is profitable. See, most of the MSMEs, as per I was 13 entrepreneur for 39 years, and like last 5 years I'm working as a consultant, and I have realized that most of MSMEs are neglecting cleaning. They think that cleaning is not profitable. So today I would like to prove that cleaning is profitable. Next, how do I go next? So the cleaning is reasonably profitable. It has got a lot of indirect advantages. So I'll start with this. Having a high level of hygiene in the factory is very important. It allows to meet industry regulations to keep employees safe and to meet health and safety standards. Doing so will avoid costly and potentially reputation ruining repercussions, as well as minimizing the risk of health. Because of bad health, a number of absenteeism also will increase. So, if you have a clean workplace, it will reduce the absenteeism in workers, which will indirectly improve your productivity and profitability. A clean workplace is a place that allows the workforce to do their job more productivity. In a clean environment, it's a human nature to increase the productivity. Employees should be able to find what they need easily and quickly. See, generally, some item is placed. If they spend some time in locating it, every minute you are paying them salaries and wages. So, if a clean place is there, item will have its own place, and he can retrieve that easily. Thus, it improves the productivity, and they will be able to do their job without any hindrance and stress, and this will improve the productivity, thus profitability. While regulations are in place to protect workforce, there are also regulations in place for consumers. Suppose if you are having a food industry, a good factory hygiene might mean storing the material properly and ensuring all machines are clean, so that the final product can be delivered to uh, without any contamination. So, cleaning we have divided into two or three parts. Daily cleaning is there, periodic cleaning is there. So, I'll explain the benefits of daily cleaning. Try to tie a clean with regular services of the organization. Make it as a habit. This should be a habit in our house. Our wives or our mothers clean daily. As a dirty and disorganized workplace can have a negative impact both on physical and psychological health of the workers and staff. A regular clean should include basic hygiene practices. A regular cleaning should include basic hygiene practices. Part of this daily practice should be cleaning all spills as they happen. Generally, we use various kind of lubricating oils, and if they spills, there is a chance of workers sleeping. which increases the accident chances. That can be reduced once the spill is there. Clean it. Our wives and mother do that. Suppose if a glass is broken, they just remove that glass. So thus it reduces the injury. And then keeping of the product, packages, material and junk under control, making sure everything has a place where it belongs and is well lit and easy to trace. So there should be enough lighting to trace the material wherever you are putting. Keeping everything up to date and in good condition means less money needed to put out for repairs, reduction in accident, working with poorly functioning equipment, thus improving productivity. This will improve the productivity. Then benefits of periodic cleaning. You are able to see a lot of various places in the factory, and if the cleaning is continuously going on with safety standards, like in the near toilet or wherever wet surfaces are going to be there. Most number it is deep cleaning is a must, and that is our opportunity where everything will get back to its optimum condition and well organized. It requires more time than a standard clean. Suppose if daily cleaning takes 10-15 minutes, this may take little more time, and it includes removal of factory clutter or materials which are not useful. Through thorough cleaning of machinery, surface, flooring, windows, door, ceiling to high level cleaning. Reorganize of the factory where required. Check any filters, seals, caps, bearing, etc. to make sure the equipment does not need any repair. So this will keep the machinery in healthy condition, and timely repair can be done. Thus it will improve your profitability. See, I will now turn my attention to cleaning in the offices. See, office is the place where a lot of records are kept, and it's a brain for the factory shop floor. So, if the people keep the office clean and neat, well lit, then the efficiency of our office employees will go up. And see, office is a place where customer comes first, and if that is kept clean, customer will carry a better impression. Also, it is a reflection of entrepreneur's mindset. Office is a place where customer, various government officers, bank managers, everybody comes. So it indicates the entrepreneurial mindset, which is entrepreneur is the connection between external world and a shop floor. So his mindset is very critical for the performance of the unit, and his habits of cleanliness makes the total unit as well as customers very happy. Cleaning the floor in the office and keeping the office area spotless and clean should be the top priority. And this is not the only entrepreneur's job. Whosoever are sitting using the office, that is, all employees should keep the place tidy, clean, well lit, so that their creativity will go up. Creativity will be going up. A sweet fragrance in the office, the bright color of the walls, as well as open windows for fresh air, well defined, definitely improve the productivity at work, as it gives the employees a welcoming vibe, open up their minds and bring clarity in thoughts, and brains become open up for creativity. See, office is the place where ideas keep coming, which entrepreneurs time to time filter and use that for improving the productivity and production. Similarly, I will turn my attention to importance of cleaning in the factories. Keep a clean manufacturing facility not only saves time and money, but it also protects the health and well-being of our employees by preventing injuries and worse. Closely managing equipment, metal savings, chemicals, tools, excess material, and any unexpected events such as a spill help to prevent accident in workplace, and thus it reduces the absenteeism in the workplace and helps improving the productivity. Many times customer would like to see the work going on the shop floors and they visit the factory. So if a clean factory is there, and they may discuss with our team. So clean unit creates a professional image and leaves a positive impression on the customer. Customer is the one who brings the profitability to the unit, and by keeping the factory clean, he gets a very positive vibe, and he will like to work closely with you, with your unit. It can make customers to throw uh, bright ideas. Many times customer may have visited similar facilities in some other units of your competitor, and visiting your factory he falls in love with it, and he throws the ideas which can change the fortune of the company. It may not be in money wise, but it can be lot of possible things like reduction in cost, because idea is the thing which helps the profitability to improve. And clean this thing is there shop floor, he may spend little more time on the shop floor. Thus more cross brainstorming can happen. Even he can interact with our workers, and that will help improving the productivity. Similarly, many small factories will have a small warehouse facility. So warehouse also is to be kept clean and neat, because warehouse is the place where moving equipment, trucks, and many things comes, and they bring lot of mud and other things, which has to be removed time to time. And having an organized warehouse enables checking the shelf life of the product, managing stocks for write off. Many times it happens say in food factory or in departmental store, some of the items are expiring on particular day, so that has to be removed, otherwise it will carry a bad impression for a customer. The most critical part of cleaning is toilet cleaning. Toilet can be visited by both the workers and the staff as well as entrepreneur. So a clean toilet is a reflection of the mindset of all people combined who are working in that. So keeping a clean toilet is very critical. It should have water, soap, etc. And where ladies workers are there, that should be a special special provision for sanitary dressings to be kept to be means that facility should be there. The toilet may not be the top of mind destination when visiting a workplace, but it does leave a lasting impact. Depends on the condition of the facilities, on customers and all stakeholders. So most of the entrepreneur neglect toilets, which is the most where most hygiene is required, because it helps to reduce the spread of viruses and bacteria. So this is very critical to keep the health of your workforce as well as staff and you. Then I have already touched upon in office record keeping. So generally, what happens if the factory is 8-10 years old, they keep old files and other things, thus blocking the space. Whatever is not required in a periodic clinic time, you should remove. Some correspondence not required. Thus, you will be coming across important documents, and it should be stored separately. This will help you to reduce the searching time and speed of your execution of whatever work is on hand, it will improve considerably. So this is the thing. Now we all know Japan has come out of Hiroshima crisis, and they have become the factory to world in early 60s. And the credit should go to Toyota kind of things, where a lot of improvement has been done by following Toyota principles of manufacturing. So, see, first part of that is 5S implementation. You may be, if you are a too small a unit, you can understand the basic purpose and implement. If you are a large unit, you can take help of external consultant who are specialized in 5S implementation. I will explain 5S. First is sorting out. So you have to sort out regularly what is item required, tools, furniture, etc. And you should critically understand what is the use of that item and which can be removed. This will give important space and other things. Second is set in order. Now things to consider, like which people use which item, what are the frequently used items, are more storage containers necessary to keep things organized. See, this your wife, your mother, your sister are doing in their kitchen very nicely. They will not keep a tea at one place and sugar at some place and milk at some place. They keep it organized so that they can make the tea faster. Like that, many things they keep in their kitchen very nicely organized, and thus their efficiency is far better than people in the shop floor. This can be practiced very easily. Then the third point is sign. It includes sweeping, mopping, dusting, wiping down surfaces, putting tools and materials away. Today, work from home is becoming a culture after COVID. And if you don't keep your laptop clean or electronic items clean, the dirt will reduce its life. As say 45-50,000 rupees laptop just getting spoiled because of the dust. Who is losing? It is your you will be losing your productivity as well as the data which is critically in the computer, in laptop, may vanish. Uh, it also involves performing regular maintenance on equipment and machinery. Cleaning daily or periodically makes people take ownership of the space. This is very critical in Toyota. This thing, say, if you say that this does not belong in my place and it is in somebody's place in your work area, there will be a confusion and it will reduce the productivity. This in long run means people will be more invested in their work and in the company. See, it's a human nature where you find your ownership for particular items, then you will be keeping them in a proper, tidy and clean this thing. So workers also are like a part of our total organization. So they should be involved and they should feel this place belongs to me, this machinery belongs to me, and this will help improving the productivity. Then last but one point is standardize. Say standardize means it systemizes everything that just happened and turns one-time effort into habits by assigning regular tasks, creating schedules, and post instructions. So these activities become routine. There are many activities in shop floor as well as in offices which are routine in nature, and if the people don't take ownership, if the people don't standardize the process, the productivity will be affected very badly. You don't get a paper when you need, and it may cause a heartburn for entrepreneur and ultimately the staff below him. And this is very critical. Entrepreneur will have to take the ownership and see that these kind of things in a it becomes the culture of the organization. over a span of time. See, this is one of the important tasks every entrepreneur should take it and see that the culture is created. It takes longer time, so it is important for entrepreneur to commit his time and a longer time this thing, so that till it becomes a habit. And see, whatever habits you are trying to form, it should be sustained on a long term basis. It is about making 5 as a long term program, not just an event or short term project, and become an organized culture. That is when the business will start to notice continuous positive result. This is a very critical thing for improving the profitability, which generally people will not noticing it. Now, last but one, cleaning is profitable. That means now we are all facing a problem of COVID, and I will suggest something for COVID. Corona has changed the life of everybody, and and now new normal is going to change. So sanitization, personal hygiene, and social distances are new norm. Please formulate a habit of this, because corona is not likely to go in soon. It is going to last like all other diseases. Uh, all portions in the site are to be fully sanitized, including the following: everyday entry gates of workplace, washroom, walls, and other areas. Sanitization has to be done regularly. Thus, it will reduce the infection coming in your workplace, and it will reduce the spread. The second thing, all workplaces, all arrangement for washing hands and sanitizing, ideally with a touch-free system. Some of the MSME may not be able to afford the touch-free system. They can evolve some jugaads so that minimum chances of touching the things are there. There are now various small tools and gadgets has come out which can be used by everybody. It is not very costly. So when you open a lift gate or a door handle, you don't have to touch. Compulsory thermal screening of whosoever enters in the workplace, and strict workplace will also reduce. So at the spread of corona, it may be reduced. So somebody who has got high temperature, it enters, it is a risk. So it is better not to allow him to work on that particular day. And most of the workers and staff as well as entrepreneurs many times have a habit of smoking. So in there should be a separate area for smoking, and otherwise strict prohibition of smoking has to be done on the shop floor. Also, a lot of technological advancement is coming. Nanotechnology can help you to have virus resistant surfaces. It may be costing, so whosoever can afford can implement this technology. Then this is last and but one very critical point. Health facility in the surrounding areas approved by to cure COVID-19 patient must be known, and it list should be available at all times at the work site and with the entrepreneurs or the supervisors, so that if something is there, immediate action can be taken. So, whatever I have said, I'll try to summarize. We all know about the fact that first impression is the last impression. This is for many people. See, you don't treat your worker as a worker, you treat them as a customer, so that he also contributes a lot of things to your profitability. So day by day cleaning is becoming the most important things in any business. It is better for consumers. It increases the productivity as well as meet the industry regulation. Cleaning can be classified into two types: daily cleaning and periodic cleaning. You see, all our Hyderabad people, they have got a Dasera as a big festival. Before Dasera, they start cleaning totally paint the machinery. Why it cannot be done more often? Just think, if Dasera is by spiritual this thing you are cleaning, but at that time, if the entrepreneurs get involved, he can notice many things which requires corrections, which requires a dynamic decision making, which helps in improving the productivity. There are separate importance for cleaning offices, warehouse, and factories, which I already told. Toilet cleaning in any workplace reduces the virus spread, and specifically when the woman works at any office or workshop, a factory, their hygiene becomes the priority of for any business. Then I would touch about 5S implementation is a system for organizing spaces so work can be performed efficiently, effectively, and safely. It includes sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. And it should become a habit for any organization. If smaller in MSME cannot do that, whatever they can do, because MSME life has to be longer, and all this will form a culture which is a very critical aspect for best performance of the unit. During COVID, thermal screening to sanitation became a regulation for MSME to run their operation. Strict prohibition for smoking also was one of the conditions. Hospital health facilities in the surrounding areas approved to cure COVID-19 patient list should be available at all times at the work site. Thank you all. I hope you will carry an important message, and I'll be happy to know what is your profitability improvement at the end of next 1 year if you start implementing from today. Mr. Ravi, my part is over. We can take now question answers. Ravi?
Sure, sir. Yes, I am
Yeah.
there. I'm there. I'm
Thank
just
you.
waiting.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. It was so informative. I mean, everybody ignores keeping the things organized and cleaning. It is very, very must, and it's a first thing that we should think about. So that's what everyone does. See, even retail stores and all. The moment they enter the store, they just clean it up. But that needs to be happen, that should happen, and the frequent things. So as soon as we open the store in the morning, we clean it up, but that should be happen in frequent cycle. So it should be more deeper cleaning and free periodic cleaning. So it's so informative, sir. The 5S concept is awesome.
I'll be
So
happy.
let's
I'll
get
be
into the
happy
question
if
and answer.
my
See, guys.
participants start doing it and multiplying it to their all contacts. I'll be very happy because according to me, this may contribute
Yes,
to increase their net profit by 1 or 2%, which is not a small figure.
agree, sir. Totally agree. Totally agree. Will everyone see, this session is not just for one-way broadcasting. This is for the detailed discussion. Please put your questions in the comment section, so we will try to answer the best. Okay, we'll be waiting for your questions now. I have few questions, sir. I'll read it out. Uh, One second. Nirti Amulya is asking that what are the cleaning techniques that we can use in the manufacturing unit?
See, most of generally, if you use your common sense, what you do in your house, if you practice, it will bring the attitude to the workforce. See, cleaning in the morning, sweeping, if where the this thing is required, see that there are no what do you call this? See. See, you clean that. See, things which are lying on the shop floor is organized. It may take 5 or 10 minutes of the total workforce time, but it will improve the productivity. See that the line window panels are clean, so that there is enough lighting and air in the workplace. And toilets you should keep very close eye, because that is a place where a lot of bacteria and viruses are getting affected. So that should
Very
be
true.
very importantly looked into. So, and there should be no smoking in the shop floor areas, and there should be a habit of putting everything. If a dust is there, there should be a dustbin. Office also, it should be maintained like that. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The next question is from Vikramaditya Koneru is asking, during COVID-19 crisis, when biological contamination can survive for at least 7 to 14 days. I mean, as per this one, according to Lancet. So, how should we clean be organized in market and public transportation in real time?
See, sanitizing is one of the method which can be used, and public transport and other things. Whenever there's a time available or in the night time, all the buses should be sanitized. There should be social distancing while people are traveling, so that enough social distances are there, and passengers who are traveling should have a mask on their face, as well as they should sanitize their hands oftenly. They should carry a portable sanitizing small bottles, so they can clean their hands as often as possible. Mask is compulsory. Don't avoid that. Thank you, Vikram.
And there is another question from Imran. How often should we be cleaning our retail business in the pandemic? How often should we sanitize our business?
See, you should take advice of the expert in that area, because retail is the place where often we don't know what kind of customers comes. In a retail kirana shop, small boys from 7 years to older people come. So they have to protect, so they can use a plastic sheet, so that they don't come nearer to the touch the peppermint and all those kind of things, so that they cannot touch directly. Only shopkeeper and their assistant can deliver the product. Retail space, we do not know what kind of customers are coming, but at the entry level you can have a sanitizer, so that they can clean, and have a thermal check wherever it is possible, and see that they are wearing the mask. And if there is a rush, try to restrict the rush with the social distancing norms. If you do that, I think spread of corona will be considerably contained.
Okay. I have another question from Sauradeepa. So every time sanitizer is not good for your health. So what should be done in this situation?
See, wherever possible, you wash your hand with soap. Soap is a better this thing. But if facility is not available for washing your hands, then you must use alcohol-based sanitizer wherever it is possible. Thank you.
There is an appreciation. Okay, Yadati Murthy is asking, good presentation. 5S is well proven technique to ensure good housekeeping of the office and the factory. Thank you so much, Murthy. Thanks for your feedback. And I have another question. What's the difference between regular cleaning and sanitizing? Imran is asking again.
Regular cleaning is like you are taking a bath and keeping your body healthy. And when you take your bath, mind also becomes fresher. So regular cleaning increases the lighting, which is most critical. Sunlight is a good thing which should be permitted to come in all workplaces wherever we can use. Circulation of air also, cross ventilation are all critical for our health. So workers also should follow that and cleaning improves the lumen of the light on the shop floor. I hope I answered your question, Imran.
Uh, Now I have somebody, Bharat, informative and good for the MSMEs. Thank you so much, Bharat. Thanks for your feedback. I'll go to the next. From Gaurav, as for the people, smoking increases the efficiency. If it is restricted, then workplace, how it will work. So he is expecting that. I mean, if it seems smoking increases the work efficiency.
I am dead against smoking does not improve the efficiency. You may feel mentally that smoking is giving you some excitement or some extra energy. Long term, even short term, smoking puts a big hole in your pocket, as well as it disturbs your financial and physical health, and you are becoming habituated. Better keep away if it is possible. Um, and smoking, why we think that it should be in a different this thing, because when you smoke, you don't only kill yourself, you also try to kill somebody who is next to you. And suppose he is a passive smoke, that passive smoke harms her or his health. So my advice will be reduce your smoking. Try to do away with it. It will increase your healthy life. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. There's
Very
another
interesting
question
questions
from,
are coming.
yeah. So there is another question from Vikramaditya. What would be the COVID-19 impact on finance for MSMEs in strained financial situation? Do you think the present financial position of MSMEs is contributing in to increased COVID-19 compared to the developed?
If you are talking, Vikram, if you are talking about India, or if you are talking about world, MSME is a backbone, and in particularly in India, after government has given this 20% emergency line of credit guarantee and other things. See, first thing is it is not reaching to the required. India has got 6.35 crore MSME, and government by in its own admission they say it will reach 45 lakhs units. So what happens? That is coming to about 8%. So what happens to the remaining 92%? Where do they go for survival? Item number one. Item number two, the immigrant workers who have gone back, there is no transport facilities available for them to come back if they wish to come. And Sarpanch in Bihar and UP and all those areas are wanting different kind of guarantees and from the entrepreneur and their own family members, workers' own family members. They are trying to prevent them not to come to the cities and city places or urban places where they were working earlier. Thus, it is enough workers are not available for any manufacturing company and other things. Construction is also suffering similar way. Third important thing is suppliers to the unit also have changed their payment terms. Earlier, those people were giving say 30 days credit. Because of COVID has affected them, they have changed their payment terms to immediate cash or very short credit, thus affecting the finances of MSME. Also, customers for non-essential items are still not coming out, which is affecting the all supply chain in a backward area, backward ways. It is affecting all supply chain. So the packages given by government are first not adequate, and see the in emergency line of credit they want the entrepreneurs to service the interest till with 1 year moratorium, when he is not able to reach more than 20, 30, 40% of his capacity, he is likely to make cash losses maybe for 6 to 12 months, depending on the production what he is doing. So how do do government expect that they will be able to service? And that is why the bankers have become very risk averse. This is because guaranteed by government, they may be able to recover their money, but they are not financing. They are not, bankers are not increasing the limits. They are making the new entrepreneurs to run from the pillar to post. They are not interested to discuss anything where government is giving credit guarantee trust fund for MSME. They don't want to touch that things. They treat new entrepreneurs worse than a Harijan. I cannot say more than that. Thank you.
Okay. I have another question now from Shravan Kumar. What are the cleaning techniques that we can use in manufacturing unit?
I think I have answered that question earlier.
Yeah, it's
Again, I
somebody
will not.
else asked.
Yeah, see, sweeping is a must. And suppose if you are having a turning lathe machine and all that things, try to remove all the kind of what you call churning coming out, so that it does not harm anything. Clean your windows door so that enough light and air is circulated. And notice, if as and when in the day you notice any spillage of oil and things like that, clean immediately, so that it can reduce the accident. In the evening, when going back to your home, see that all the tools, tackles what you have used in the day you put properly. That will help you to improve the productivity. And according to my expectation, the cost which you are incurring for this time, it will compensate by reducing 1 or 2% of labor cost every on a yearly basis. If you do this cleaning, suppose if you are paying 10, 15, 20 lakhs as a labor bill, you will find that labor productivity has gone up by 1 or 2%, or labor cost has gone down by 1 or 2%. It's a large difference for any manufacturing company. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. There is another question. Again from Imran, what is the place item that business most often miss when self cleaning?
The question is not is clear, Mr. Ravi. Can you spell that word again?
What is the place or item that businesses most often miss when self cleaning? No, even I am not understanding.
That businessmen most often miss when self-cleaning.
Is there a possibility of asking Mr. Imran to come live on this thing, and he can ask verbally, or we can do at the end?
No, no,
We can take.
only two comments. They say so we can't ask. We'll skip to next question. I'll ask him to post it again. There is
Okay,
another
thank you.
question from Vikramaditya. Grade A office space cleaning cost about $5 per square feet. According to the estimation, the costs are estimated to approximately by 3x. Hyderabad holds more than 5 million square feet grade A of square feet. What would be the financial impact on cleaning, additional cleaning financials?
1 minute, Ravi. I'm not able to hear the question properly. What's the question?
Okay, can I read it
Grade
again?
A office space. No. Grade A office space cleaning cost $5 per square feet. According to estimate, the costs are estimated to go up by 3x. Hyderabad holds more than 5 million square feet Grade A office. What will be the financial effect? Mr. Vikram, whether see, you'll have to measure the in that 5 million square feet office, what is the what is the salary you are paying to those people who are employed. Those are most white collared people. And if it is likely to go, up by 3x. First thing, I don't agree that it will go up by 3x. You are talking about places in high-tech city, and where this thing, they are taking the help of outside facility managers, and as there is a shortage of manpower, the cost temporarily may go up, but ultimately it will settle down somewhere at a little higher, because new normal is coming, and most of the software offices and people who can work from home, they have clearly indicated that work from home will become more normal than what is. So the 5 million square feet area what you are talking about may be possible that there may be having a new tenant, probably multinational companies, and they come with their own service standards. It may have a rub-off effect on all other people to adopt that service standards in their location. So ultimately, the cost may not go up. That I think you think again, and if you have got some further question, can ask.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. I have another question here from Sauradeepa. The government made health insurance compulsory for workers and employees. How MSME can follow this?
See,
You're there, sir?
if you are a profitable MSME, you are ensuring the long-term commitment of workers and employees that will increase your retaining of the blue.
Okay. Something happened. I lost Mr. Desai. Please hold the line. He will join back. We are really sorry. Please hold the line. Please stay live. We'll just join back in a minute. We'll be available. Sorry, everyone. Desai Garu is joining back. Please hold the line for a minute. It is very, very interesting session today, so you all must be liking it. So if you have any more questions, please put it in the comments. We will try to answer. Okay. He'll be joining in a minute. So, when meanwhile, while Desai Garu is joining, so can you all mention what kind of businesses you all are into? So, sorry, sir, something went wrong. Thanks for joining
Am I
back.
audible now?
Yeah, you're absolutely audible, absolutely fine. So, I would like to read out the question once again here. Sauradeepa is asking, the government made health insurance compulsory for workers and employees. How MSME can follow this?
See, please understand. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Please
Am
go
I
ahead.
audible?
Yes, yes, very much.
See, you should understand, you have started MSME with a long-term goal. So, employees and workers are your long-term asset. Because of COVID, you may face some problem of cash flow. But if you are investing in health insurance for workers and employees, you are also trying to reduce your indirect cost in a way. It gives them a mental workers and employees will have a satisfaction that they are insured, and it will give a loyalty to the organization, which is more critical for your long term growth of any MSME. So taking care of your workers and employees should be one of the top priorities. There are various possible solutions depending on the wages or salaries you are paying. You can subsidize or you can fully pay. It depends on the profitability and long-term vision of the MSME unit. Have I answered, Deepa? Saura Deepa?
Yeah, that's nice, sir. So I'll go to the next question. There is one more question. How Chaiwala can maintain sanitization practice as they have very little income? She's talking the nano entrepreneurs, very small people cannot afford to spend a lot of money on the hygiene conditions. So, what is the techniques that they can follow?
See, first thing is they can put a sort of a boundary and restrict the customer for a social distance. That is the first thing. See that the cups, glass, and other things are washed properly, so that in some hot water or something, so it may reduce the chances of contamination. Sanitization may be little costly, so they can temporarily increase the price of chai where it is bearable to the customer, does not lose a customer on a long term basis. Try to tell the customer we have increased the price by 50 paisa or 1 rupee because of sanitization, because otherwise they will be losing customers, that there will be no income. That's a long term effect.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. There is another question. How do we create awareness about the cleanness in our own staff? So, how to create the awareness to our own staff in the man
In
in
our
the in it?
in our old Hindu culture, there is a Sama, Dama, Danda, and Bed. There are four methods which are indicated. So first, try to convince the employer, the employees, they should keep themselves clean and hygienic. If they don't do it, but if you come with a clean shirt or something, I'll give you 5 rupees extra or something, uh, or otherwise punish him if he's not doing it. And if this persists, I would like my audience to tell me what is the meaning of bathe. According to me, bathe, then last resort I can say I'll go on hunger strike or I'll do this. So all employees who are loyal to me will think seriously and may come back with a clean and hygienic conditions, because it is good for them. See, they work 8 hours in the office, they have to spend 16 hours in their house, including their eating, sleeping, all that. So they have to consider that their own children, their own brothers, sisters, they are the change maker for these hygienic conditions to create in the society. Ultimately, everybody has to take the responsibility.
True,
I
sir.
hope
True,
I
sir.
answered the
Actually,
question.
yes, yes, yes. Very much, sir. See, I mean, you can offer some. I mean, every quarter, sometime whoever maintains your maintain the office clean and some kind of award, something you can give to encourage others so that
Definitely,
everyone
that's
will.
a very attractive.
So So you give some small thing, even it's a small. If in front of 10 people, other people, if you give a small thing, also it get attracts to others. Okay. So next quarter I should get the best hygiene employee. So that kind of attraction you should do, so that everybody will
So
try to
what kind
follow.
of
So these
gift
are
you
small
want,
things.
Ravi?
No, whatever, sir. See, because see the corporates. I mean, I've seen in the corporates. I mean, I can say it publicly. I've worked for about
Yes,
13 years in
it's
the
a
typical IT industry. They'll give you a monthly award, giving a
motivational tool. Very, very
five
great
hundred
motivational
rupees
tool.
500 rupees voucher, where the employee salary will be 50,000 to 80,000. The IT
So the
employees,
question is
it,
not
it is
money.
a it
Question is
is
not
no,
money.
no, it's not about money. It's not about money. The people who are earning 50,000 to 80,000, five
It's a
hundred to 1,000
credibility
rupees
which
voucher
they
is.
enjoy with other
Yes,
employees.
yes, exactly. It's a motivation. Basically, it's a motivation. The 500 voucher in front of everyone, it's a pride to take that award. So that's where the motivation starts. So it's not. It's a 500 is nothing for them. Even they go for a lunch. The corporate guys, the lunch also will not come for 500 if you go to the high tech city. But the motivation changes a lot. So it motivates others. So okay, I should get it next time. That's kind of thing, because I have been personally to many manufacturing units. I mean, we can't say all the time the
So
employees also. See, I've seen they offer a tea. After the tea, you don't know where to throw the cup, because there will be no dustbin also. So you have to hold it for half an hour. So I mean, it's so annoying that you have to hold that teacup and talk to the person. So that kind of small things you have to take care. Keep a small dustbin, one or two in every room, so that the moment they see, okay, at least since there is a dustbin, they try to throw it in the dustbin. Otherwise, the cups are on the table, that will spill, that will stink. There are so many things. Yeah. So
So it's an
I'll
ideal
jump
case,
to.
Ravi. Wherever you have
Yes,
gone
sir.
in manufacturing company, you have got that bad image. And if a customer, government officer, bank manager, they visit, they carry that impression continuously. So that is why I am saying cleaning is a profitable business.
True, sir. When we are applying lakhs of rupees of loan, if bank manager comes, he don't even know where to throw the paper cup. It's very annoying. One second, sir. I'll jump to the next question. There is another question
Next
from
question.
Vikramaditya. What is the Sir, I'm going to the next question here. So Vikramaditya is asking, what is the difference between organization cleaning? If manager in KFC or Domino's does cleaning of floor and toilet at par, with others, I mean, is there a difference with the mentality of Indian MSME affecting? See, I mean, it's sir. Are you able to read the question? I mean, did you understand the question from Vikramaditya?
Yeah. I'm able to read. Yeah, I'm able to read. I thought you are trying to answer something.
No, no,
KFC,
please, sir, please.
Domino's, McDonald's. Mm,
Sorry. Yeah, go ahead, sir.
KFC, Domino's, McDonald's have international standard practices for doing everything well documented, and every employee of them are getting trained to follow meticulously. MSME may not
True.
be able to have that such a detailed practices, because McDonald carries, or Domino's or KFC carries international reputation, while MSME, they may be one unit or two units, but they can always make a manual, and while selecting and selecting the worker, they can have half day, one day induction program, so that the culture of whatever their long term vision of MSME is there can get imbibed. So it is possible. It is a capital cost for MSME for long term viability. Don't think everything today I spent 5 rupees. It's a revenue cost or capital cost. You have to understand there is a necessity for capital cost in human management, which is most critical in any manufacturing company. The labor cost will be about 3 to 9 to 12%. So if you do this cultivation of good habits, you may reduce down by 1 or 2%, which is very substantial. Please understand. I hope I
So
answered the question, Vikramaditya.
I have one last question from Imran again. What is your approach to cleaning while customers are around?
See, generally customers don't come early in the morning to factory, or they are not in the late in the factory, but it happens sometimes. But if you are having 10 workers, 5 workers, customers also mentally come prepared. Okay, this is the time where the factory or office gets cleaned. So they generally avoid. See, when the banks open, the bank manager and other people come 10-15 minutes earlier before the customer time and see that everything is systematic. Sometimes there will be spillage, but that is a bearable thing for a customer. So the habit of cleaning is a cultivatable things. Am I clear, Mr. Imran?
Yes, sir. See, that's informative. That's there's one more point. It depends on your business. If you go to a restaurant, they'll be cleaning all the day. I mean, all the time they'll be cleaning. So you don't have to feel shame of doing the cleaning. But a certain cleaning you should do before customers come. Some cleaning may not can happen
Customer.
during entire the day also. Entire the day also. So that is always acceptable. Even you are keeping it things clean all the day. Even customers feel nice. Thank you so much, sir. I think we are done with the questions, so we are almost out of the time also.
I have got one announcement.
Yes,
I
sir.
have got
Please,
one
sir.
announcement, if you permit.
Yes, sir.
See,
Please,
we
sir.
are
Please,
going to
sir.
have 13 or 14 webinars. We are going to have 13 or 14 webinars in series of churn or burn. And next webinar on next Saturday will be on idle asset, which is equally important, like what we have said about cleaning, where I was an entrepreneur for 39 years. And see, as we being Hindu, we will ask somebody to do puja. Actually, puja of the god in the factory has to be done by the entrepreneur. And this is a type of a psychological thing. Ki puja can be done by anybody. It is your factory. So try to do 1 or 2 minutes puja. It will give you mental peace also and a good start of the day. Also, you should supervise once in a while, because this is a necessity for making a habit. Next week webinar will be on idle asset, where I will be assets in your factory in many ways. Be happy with today's session, and they will circulate this message to another 10. Today we have got how many people joining, I don't know, but the message in Hyderabad we have got 70,000 and more MSME. If I have touched, or it message goes to 500 units overall also, I'll be happy, so that the cumulative
Understand, sir.
effect will start. Next week,
Understand,
this
sir.
webinar will be on idle asset. Thank you,
Thank you so much,
everybody.
Desai Garu. Thank you so much. Your experience matters a lot. It was wonderful session today. So we look forward for more sessions on this series. So there, as Desai Garu mentioned, there are about 14, 15 sessions every Saturday. It's going to happen. We don't want to miss it, and you all. So you keep joining, and we wanted more people to join. Please like this video or share it. We will also share with you the YouTube video later. Please share whoever is in the need. So it's going to be a wonderful series for every entrepreneur, everybody who is there in the MSMEs. So good luck, you all guys. Stay safe, stay home. We look forward to join in the next week.
This is,
Thank you so much. Yes, sir. You have something to say?
thank you.
Thank you all, guys. Subscribe to our channel, like this video,
No,
and
this is
share
from
it.
my experience
Bye-bye.
of 39 years as an entrepreneur.
Yes, sir. Sir, your voice is not clear, sir. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for joining today. So it's wonderful interacting with you all. So please like, share, or subscribe to our channel. So for more and more information to start and run your business successfully. Thank you so much. Bye bye.